Barely a couple of months since the S26 series was out, the reports about the S27 is coming out. Some things with Samsung might be planning, some might be genuine, some might be just rubbish. A fresh round of speculation comes from Ice Universe, who shared details on Vivo and X about the S27 Ultra. According to tipster, Samsung is preparing to kill the 3x telephoto camera entirely, a lens that has been long criticized. Universe even claims it's a 100% possibility of this change, but there's words stressing it might be unverified. Look, if the sounds bold, the reaction online suggests might not be controversial. Early response to next seems indifferent. Some users describe the X lens as a middle child of the camera system. Others are even more blunt, calling it a potential removal overdue. If this sentiment holds, Samsung may not face backlash. The leaks into the broader camera overhaul. iTunes suggests Samsung S27 Ultra could use the next generation ultrawide sensor, one that debuts first on the Samsung Galaxy Z8 Fold. There's also talks of revised front-facing camera and upgraded main sensor. The tipster assigns a 80% possibility to the camera adopting a variable aperture, something that Samsung had with the S9 and S10. And if Apple comes up with it in their iPhone 18 Pro series, then Samsung will bring it back. And also a high chance of a wider aperture for the 5x telephoto lens. The potential 5x upgrade aligns with what users want. In the same discussion, many users pointed if Samsung is going to remove the zoom option, it should double down on the one that people rely on. A more capable 5x lens in theory could make the overall zoom experience feel more cohesive. The same rumors were also rumored for the S26 Ultra, but they kept the 3x camera. Rather than removing the camera, they should copy the Oppo Find X9 Ultra and port their sensors onto their phone, giving all the same focal length.